Tax season is here, so are the Cybercrooks. As the tax season rolls in, so does the opportunity for Cybercrooks to spring into action. It's the time of year when the air is filled with the scent of freshly printed W-2s and the clicking of calculators, but also the lurking danger of digital thieves ready to pounce on your personal information. So let's gear up with knowledge and a sprinkle of humor to keep those cyber baddies at bay. The dangers lurking in the digital shadows. Imagine cybercriminals as the pesky mosquitoes of the internet. They're annoying, persistent, and can cause a whole lot of itchiness in your bank account. During the tax season, these digital pests are on the prowl for any slip-up that could give them access to your juicy financial data. Phishing, the bait and switch. Phishing is like that fake lottery email promising you millions. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Cybercrooks craft cunning emails and messages that mimic legitimate tax-related correspondence, hoping you'll take the bait and hand over sensitive information. Ransomware, the digital kidnapping. Ransomware is the cyber equivalent of a movie villain holding your data hostage and demanding a hefty ransom. It's malicious software that locks you out of your own files unless you pay up. Identity theft, the imposter syndrome. Identity theft is when a cyber crook becomes you, digitally speaking. They file a tax return in your name, pocket your refund, and leave you to explain to the IRS why you've forgotten how to spell your own name. Prudent security tips, your cyber armor. Let's armor up with some security tips that even the most sophisticated cybercrook would struggle to penetrate. Multi-factor authentication, the double check. Multi-factor authentication is like a friend who always double checks if you lock your car. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a text message code before allowing access to your accounts. Strong passwords, the first line of defense. A strong password is like a good deodorant. It keeps the unwanted stink of hackers away. Use complex passwords and consider a password manager to keep track of all of them. Software updates, the silent guardian. Keeping your software updated is like getting a flu shot. It's a preventative measure that can save you from a world of hurt. These updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by cybercrooks. File early. The early bird gets the worm. Filing your taxes early is like beating the morning rush at the coffee shop. It reduces the window of opportunity for identity thieves to file a fraudulent return in your name. Advice for staying safe. The cyber hygiene routine. Just like brushing your teeth, there is a routine to keeping your digital life clean. Beware of suspicious emails. If you didn't expect it, inspect it. Don't click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. Secure Wi-Fi. Using public Wi-Fi to file your taxes is like shouting your personal info through a megaphone at a park. Always use a secure private connection. Monitor your accounts. Keep an eye on your accounts like a hawk. If something looks fishy, it might just be a phishing attempt. Conclusion: laugh in the face of danger. While tax season can be a boon for Cybercrooks, it doesn't have to be a problem for you. With the right knowledge and tools, you can protect yourself and even have the last laugh. So go ahead and file those taxes with confidence, and let the Cybercrooks know that when it comes to your personal information, the joke's on them. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and throw in a chuckle or two to keep things light. Laughter is the best medicine, especially when it comes to dealing with the headaches of tax season security. Stay safe, stay secure, and happy filing. Depending on your filing status, may your refund be large or your payment be small. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.